Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to teach you how to make a Snapchat account. So it is going to be very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. To do this, firstly you need to hit your Snapchat app, and then if you want to create the new account for Snapchat, you can just click on the sign up on the bottom left corner. So here you have to keep your first name and the last name, your birth date. So Snapchats provide you a username that is not used by anyone. If you want to change your username, you can just click on the change my username and change it. But I want to keep it the same. Continue. So here you have to set the password. Make sure you set a strong password. Continue. So you have to put your email here. Finish. You have to keep your phone number or else you can skip this. You can skip adding your friends because you can add it later on. So this is how you can create a Snapchat account. You have successfully made a Snapchat account, and this was it for today. We'll meet you in the next video.